everyone, you're welcome to another class with me. And in this class, we'll be looking at a very important and special topic. And what is that topic? Verb-related words. You know why this topic is important? That is because with this topic, you are able to start making complete sentences. So for this topic, I'm going to start with the verb of being, that's the state. The state verb. These are verbs that give structures to sentences. So I'm not going to start with the action words. I'm going to start with the state verb, which is the verb of being, where we're going to be seeing the auxiliary verb and the modal verbs as well. The first word I have here is and this is the sign for what? Have. Have. The next word is and what sign is this? Like. Like. The next word is this is sign for what? Want. Want. Now this is the end sign. So this is sign for what? Need. Need. This is sign for what? Know. I know. Not N-O, but know. To know something. Know. Know. The next sign is these are all verb. So this is sign for what? Can. 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 The next word this is sign for what? May. May I? May. May. M-A. M-A-Y. May. Now the next word is this is sign for what? Must. 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 The next word is this is a sign for what? Will. Will. The next word I have here is is. 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 We've looked at it in our two-letter words, but for the sake of the verb we're looking at, we need to sign it again. Is. Is. And the last word in this category is was, which is the past tense of is. Was. Was. So I'm putting the W sign on my palm, then ending it with a S. That's start with W, end with S. Was. 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 And that's it. So I'll take this again without saying nothing. we have come to the end of this class. I hope you were able to learn. Till we meet again in our next class. Bye for now.